This is your special gift.
It's already her favorite.
Thank you, Princess.
Can we turn her around a little bit?
Let me get her face and shoot. What is it?
A Mickey Mouse.
Are you sure?
Big surprise with another Mickey Mouse.
Are you sure it's Mickey Mouse?
I'll take it.
No.
No,
Oh,
that
yeah,
one's
you got this.
here, open the big one.
Open this one.
Yeah, the big
Yeah,
one.
later.
Rip it.
Oh my gosh. Keep going.
Oh, I wonder if he needs batteries.
Going. He has some, but I can get him more. Are they wrapped? No.
No, we only did that to you guys because we didn't like you.
Oh, thank
He
you.
needs batteries and a color pair of socks.
Open. Mickey's stuck. Okay, don't push his head.
Yeah, that's not what I thought you said.
You can dance. Wow, that's your favorite.
Okay, open now.